Hey everyone! So today we're talking about the best air fryers you can get this year. I've spent weeks researching the top options, and I'm breaking down the 5 that really stand out. Whether you're cooking quick weeknight meals, feeding a family, or looking for a feature-packed model that delivers restaurant-quality results, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. Let's start with the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. The Typhur Sync is honestly one of the most interesting air fryers I've seen this year. This is the model you want if you're serious about cooking whole chickens and bigger cuts of meat perfectly every single time. What makes it special is the built-in wireless meat probe that actually talks to the air fryer itself. No pairing apps, no Bluetooth headaches, just real-time temperature monitoring that stops cooking automatically when your food hits the exact doneness you want. The probe has 5 internal sensors, and the whole system is designed around this 2-stage cooking method for whole chickens. It starts with a slow roast to keep the breast juicy, then finishes with high heat to crisp up the skin. You can cook a 6-pound chicken in it and get genuinely impressive results, moist throughout with perfectly crispy skin. The probe lasts up to 50 hours on battery and comes with a magnetic holder, which is a nice touch. With its 8-quart capacity, you can fit a 6-pound chicken or a 9-inch pizza, which is plenty for a small family. The temperature range goes from 105 to 450 degrees, and you get 6 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, reheat, and preheat. The ceramic-coated basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe, making cleanup pretty straightforward. Now here's where it gets tricky. The Typhur Sync runs around $220, which puts it in the mid to premium range. That wireless probe system is genuinely innovative, but you're paying for it. Also, if you're not someone who regularly cooks whole chickens or thick steaks, a lot of that precision roasting capability is going to go unused. The app is optional, which I appreciate, but the interface itself isn't quite as intuitive as some competitors. This is the air fryer for people who take their chicken dinners seriously. If you're meal prepping roasted proteins, or you want consistent, restaurant-quality results with larger cuts of meat, the Typhur Sync absolutely delivers. For a family of 4 to 6 people that eats a lot of roasted chicken or beef, this is a solid investment at that $220 price point. Next up, we have the Crispi Pro. The Crispi Pro is one of the most unique air fryers out there. This is Ninja's upgraded version of their original Crispi, and it's built around glass containers instead of traditional baskets. The whole concept is that you can prep, marinate, cook, serve, and store all in the same glass container. It's designed to look good on your table, not hidden away in a cabinet. The Pro comes with a 6-quart XL glass container and a 2.5-quart container, both made from durable, heat-safe glass with no non-stick chemicals, just a clean, natural cooking surface. The 1800-watt heating element sits on top, and you can watch your food cook through the glass, which is surprisingly satisfying. The system is modular, so the base adjusts to fit different container sizes, and everything is dishwasher safe. This version is a big upgrade from the original Crispi. Where the first model only had 4 functions and no precise temperature control, the Pro gives you 6 customizable functions: max crisp, air fry, bake proof, roast, re-crisp, and dehydrate. More importantly, you now get digital temperature control up to 450 degrees, which was the biggest complaint about the original model. The 6-quart container can cook a 7.5-pound chicken and feed up to 10 people. Though realistically, for a small family, you'll probably use the 2.5-quart container more often. The challenge with the Crispi Pro is that it's a premium-priced product at $280. That's $100 more than the original Crispi. You're paying for the glass construction, the aesthetic appeal, and that cook-to-serve convenience. The handles can get hot, so you'll need oven mitts. And the adjustable base can be a bit fiddly to position correctly, especially when you're switching between container sizes. Still, for people who value aesthetics, want something that looks good enough to bring to the table, and appreciate the convenience of cooking and storing in the same container, this makes sense. It's ideal for small gatherings, potlucks, or anyone who wants to minimize dish cleanup. Sometimes you just want an air fryer that works without any fuss. That's the Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL. This is the 6-quart model that consistently delivers good results without any gimmicks or fancy features. It's not trying to revolutionize anything. It's just focused on doing the basics really, really well. The square basket design is actually a smart choice because it gives you more usable surface area than round baskets at the same capacity. The 1700-watt heating element delivers even cooking with even crisp technology, and you get 6 cooking functions: air fry, bake, roast, broil, reheat, and dehydrate. The touchscreen interface is responsive, and the dial makes adjusting settings pretty intuitive. Temperature range goes from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the one-touch smart programs handle the settings so you don't have to overthink it. You can cook both frozen and fresh French fries in it and get consistently crispy, evenly cooked results. Chicken wings come out golden and juicy in about 20 minutes. Preheating is optional with this model. The fast heat up means you can often skip it entirely, which saves time. The basket and components are dishwasher safe, and cleanup is straightforward with the non-stick coating. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL sits at around $130, which is solidly mid-tier pricing. The main limitation is that it doesn't stand out in any particular area. It's just consistently good at everything. The square basket is great for fries and flat items, but it's not quite as versatile for odd-shaped foods. And while it's reliable, it doesn't have premium features like viewing windows or the speed of some competitors. This is the air fryer for people who want something dependable that just works every time. If you're not chasing the latest features and you just want crispy food without thinking about it too much, the Vortex Plus XL delivers exactly that. For a small family on a budget who wants good quality without paying premium prices, this is a really solid choice at $130. Moving on, we have the Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. The Cosori TurboBlaze is all about speed and value. It uses DC motor technology instead of the standard AC motor found in most air fryers, and that translates to cooking up to 46% faster than comparable models. The 6-quart capacity is generous for the price, and you get 9 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, frozen, proof, reheat, and keep warm. The 5-fan speed system with TurboBlaze technology hits 3,600 RPM and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That precision temperature control from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit gives you way more range than most air fryers, especially for low-temp functions like proofing dough or dehydrating. The basket and crisper plate have a premium ceramic coating that's non-stick, durable, and dishwasher safe. At 53 decibels on the highest fan speed, it's quieter than most competitors. The square basket design uses space efficiently, and the angled display on top makes it easy to see and use. The preheating function is customizable. You can use it for optimal results or skip it entirely as the default setting. The ceramic coating feels more durable than standard nonstick and doesn't have the same chemical concerns. The button on the handle to release the basket is annoying if you're used to air fryers without one. You'll forget to press it at first and end up yanking the whole unit forward. It needs a firm push to close properly and lock in place. Some reviews mention inconsistent results with certain foods like chips or vegetables. It does some things brilliantly, but might require experimenting to get certain dishes right. The TurboBlaze typically sells for $110 to $120, occasionally dropping under $100 on sale. For families looking for solid capacity, fast cooking times, and good features without spending $200 plus, this hits a sweet spot. It's perfect for busy weeknights when you need dinner done quickly, and it offers enough functions to handle meal prep, baking, and even yogurt making. The last one on our list is Ninja DZ550. The Ninja DZ550 is the most versatile and capable air fryer on this list. This is Ninja's 10-quart dual basket model with the Smart Cook system, and it's designed for families who need to cook multiple things at once. Each basket is 5 quarts, so you can cook a main dish in one and a side in the other, or use the full 10-quart capacity for meal prep. The DualZone technology is what makes this special. Smart Finish lets you cook 2 different foods at different temperatures and times, but have them both finish at the same moment. Match cook copy settings across both zones, so you can use the full capacity for one type of food. IQ Boost optimally distributes power when you're not using those features, so you can cook a 6-pound whole chicken and side as quickly as possible. The integrated Foodi smart thermometer takes the guesswork out of doneness. You just insert it into your meat and select rare to well done, and it stops cooking automatically at the perfect temperature. You get 6 cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, with a temperature range from 105 to 450 degrees. Both baskets have their own cyclonic fans and rapid heaters, so they truly operate independently. Ninja claims this cooks 2 6-pound chickens up to 30% faster than a traditional oven, and you can go from frozen to crispy in 30 minutes. Now, the size is substantial. This takes up serious counter space at around 15 inches wide. The smart thermometer is wireless and needs charging, which adds another thing to remember. Some users mention the baskets can be tricky to clean around the rubber grips on the crisper plates. You need to really scrub under those areas. The DZ550 typically runs around $210 to $230, though you can find it for less during sales. For families of 4 or more, or anyone who regularly cooks multiple dishes at once, this is absolutely the one to get. It's ideal for Sunday meal prep, entertaining, or those nights when everyone wants something different but you still want to eat together. So, there you have it. The best air fryers you can buy right now, no matter what or how you love to cook. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to check the links below for the latest prices. And let me know which air fryer you're thinking about picking up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.